If you're wondering about the weather to begin this new week, well, so are we. Let's find out what's coming up next from Clay Smith.
Well, David, so far for your Monday, the weather from this weekend is actually carried over into the first part of your work week. We're now at 84 in Chattanooga, so another toasty afternoon, but changes are on the way. We're tracking a cold front that's pushing across portions of Mississippi, Alabama, and Middle Tennessee, and cooler air is going to start to filter in behind that. So Tuesday, we're going to be nearly 20 degrees cooler than what we've been dealing with the last several days. So if you're kind of tired of the 80s already, it's going to be a lot cooler for your Tuesday. But you can already see that cool down starting to take place along the plateau. Altamont now at 70, which is nearly 15 degrees cooler than what we're dealing with here in Chattanooga, 82 in Fort Payne, 84 in Cleveland, and we're going to stay locked into the 80s, especially into the valley in northwest Georgia, all the way into western North Carolina for the next several hours before sunset, and then we'll finally start to fall back into the 70s and eventually the 60s. But again, here's that cold front, showers and storms breaking out from really Arkansas all the way into Middle Tennessee, but notice there's a lot of breaks. So this is going to be very on and off in coverage as we go into the overnight hours. And as we zoom in locally, again, things are dry here across the valley. So no issues out there for your drive home from work, which is always good news. But here's that initial batch of storms starting to move along I-65 near Huntsville. And these storms will start to push in along the plateau within the next 2 or 3 hours and gradually increase in coverage as we go through the overnight hours. But again, as we take a look at downtown Chattanooga, still a lot of blue out there using our Holiday Inn cam. Also some clouds starting to stream in, and that cloud cover will start to become a little more covered over much of the area as we go into the latter half of the evening. So again, cloud cover increases, rain chances arrive after about 9 o'clock, and then we're going to be tracking on and off showers as we go into the early overnight hours and early Tuesday morning. Excuse me, David.
Thank you, Clay. We'll check back with you later.